This search form is connected to this Google Sheet. This sheet contains information about people, where they live, the type of car they drive, and the color of that car. So if we, for instance, search for car color equals blue, we get 98 hits. This means that there are 98 rows in this Google Sheet where car color is blue. If we want to take a look at these rows, we click the Show button. Here we can see some of the columns: first name, last name, type of car, and the color. If we want to see all the columns from the spreadsheet, we can click this button. Here we get a full presentation. And we can search for car color equals red. We get 114 hits. Now we can combine these two search results by selecting them and selecting OR. We click combine. We get 212 hits. Now we have combined search number 2 with search number 1, search number 2 with search number 1. So this search result should contain cars that are either red or blue. Let's take a look. Color is either blue or red, as expected. If we search for car brand equals Volvo, we get 110 hits. Let's combine this Volvo search result with our previous search result using AND. Now this search result should contain Volvo cars that are either red or blue. Let's take a look. You see all Volvo cars, and they are either blue or red, as expected. Now finally, let's say we wish to find Volvo cars but exclude cars that are red or blue. We select not, then we type S4, which is our Volvo cars. Then we type not to exclude, then we type S3, which is our third search result, which contained the red or blue cars. And we click execute. We get 61 hits. So this search result should contain Volvo cars that are not blue or red. We can see we have Volvo cars with silver, black, gray, green, etc., but not blue or red, as expected.